I put this Corbin, but I want this Corbin. Yes. More I want this Magnum DD lock, but this is 06 profile was before one video. What I think here, what's strange for me, I see 5 cuts of elements. Here I see four driver pins. Now I know here can to be driver pin 2 here, this part, but I not sure. No. First we not have. So this first, I don't know why this cutting here and what for what. I think here this is mushroom, and between A2 or B3 minus, I don't understand. I am. This is B3 standard. And this is A2. Yes, not B3, but maybe B3 minus. I don't know, not sure. A2 and B3 or B2, no here, if this B3, very low and little pin more low. A2 very low and more low little pin. So this make sometime no, not easy work. Okay, we now start with multi-lock, because for me to open multi-lock more quickly, and I want to open him and to put in the box. Maybe if will time for this, I just a moment, I want normal focus to take. Nice. And multi-lock. My tools, I like just this two. No, I like every two tools for dimple locks what I have, but for multi-lock this is two. This is basic, and this is never not make for this is not never, but this is very good. Very good. Okay, I don't first time now I pick this lock. First time, never not touch, not was in this device. This. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good luck to me. First we not have, I say. Second, I need to. This is ask. This is mushrooms. Okay. Groovy. Why? I think nice. Groovy. This is not. Sometime groovy can to. Oops. No, why? Nice. This is not easy to out tool, but I not sure I make everything right, because okay, and for nice. Okay, no, second here, no, very low. Okay, and now 4, just and 5. Maybe we need to pick little pin here, because this is groovy. I don't know, maybe. Okay, and okay, okay, and nice, groovy, very not easy. If some picker don't know about this no moment on in the lock, so this can to be a problem. And this, and I not pick finally second. Nice. No, was a little, and okay, and now I need something. No, that's all. Here, 2 mushrooms. First, no, here this is not first. No, why not first? First and the 4, not first and 5. We have locks with 4 pins. This is not first time and not second time I meet lock like this. Okay, good lock. What? No, new quality, new what years? What year this was? Manufacturing was what years? Not, no, no, sorry, this is not I don't know, can't to say this. Maybe on side of lock, I don't know if looks like this right, this information. Yes, 09. Strange, because this is new pins. 09 with this lock 15 years, but so new. And if you can't to see, you can't you see if pin have cutting a line on the top of pin. This is new pins before so many time. For me, this is surprise, to say really. So okay, ladies and gentlemen, maybe a long video, but not one lock. Okay, now I start to pick Corbin, and maybe I out first Corbin to channel, and not multi-lock. Multi-lock very many we have. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everybody, and good luck. Bye bye.